EPA contractors began at least 5 weeks of soil testing Monday in the Bonbray and Harbor area of St. Clair Shores to begin testing for PCB levels. The soil samples are to be taken to a mobile lab in St. Clair Shores where chemists can test the soil for PCBs and have results within 24 hours.
Tekla is here in support of the EPA with the mobile laboratory so that we can test their soils very quickly using our instrumentation here in the mobile lab, so we can give them results up to 20 samples at a time each day within 24 hours when they're taken. This is our auto sampler system, and what that does is we have a robotic system that takes the sample that we've extracted, we dissolve the PCBs, if there are any, in solvent, hexane for the most part, and then that tray delivers it to the auto sampler tower. This has got a needle on the inside which will flush itself with clean solvent prior to flushing itself with the sample, and then we'll take a small bit of that and inject it down into the chromatograph so it can be tested. See that happen in just a second. There, it takes a 1 microliter aliquot, and now we'll inject that into it. That is now being vaporized in the injection port and going through the column here, where it will pop out in that detector and show up on our computer in about 25 minutes. This will help them, they'll have data on all the samples they take within 24 hours of when they come in. So they'll be able to know the following morning whether or not the samples they took yesterday were contaminated or not. So that's much, much faster than a fixed lab, which would typically be 7 to 14 calendar days to get the same kind of results back.